The National Weather Service uses three terms to notify the public of threatening weather conditions and flood situations. These terms are flood watch, flood advisory, flood warning. Understanding each of these terms will help you decide what actions to take to ensure your safety. A flood watch means the risk of flooding has increased significantly, but the location and timing are uncertain.
A flood watch has been issued for this area. Please be advised that conditions are favorable for flooding.
A flood watch is issued 12 to 48 hours before flooding occurs. The goal of a flood watch is to provide time to plan a course of action and begin to protect property and valuables. During a flood watch, listen to the radio or TV for updates. Gather your disaster supply kit and your pet disaster supply kit and place the kits near an exit. Gather your important documents such as mortgage, insurance, medical records, birth certificates, family photos, etc., and place them in Ziploc bags in your disaster kit. Protect your property by sandbagging when time allows. Contact your Public Works Department for information on where to get supplies. Place sandbags around the openings to your home, such as doors, air vents, basement windows, and other areas where water may enter the structure. A flood advisory means that minor flooding is expected soon or is already underway in the advisory area.
The National Weather Service issued flood
Suggested
warnings
actions to take.
16 rivers that
Listen
run
to the
throughout
radio or
western
TV for
Washington. We have
updates.
Team 4 coverage on the flooding danger in our area.
Conditions could be dangerous and caution should be used. Avoid flooded areas. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the road. Stay clear of riverbanks that could become unstable. Use caution and remain alert to conditions that could rapidly become worse. When the threat of flooding increases, a flood warning will be issued. A flood warning means severe flooding is taking place right now or is about to occur. Conditions in the impacted area will be dangerous and potentially life-threatening. This alert is generally issued 12 hours before a life or property-threatening event. In the case of a flash flood, there may be even less time. When a flood warning is issued in your area, listen carefully to the radio or TV for weather updates, evacuation notices, and important information.
We are tracking the storm as it pushes into western Washington.
When evacuation is advised or required, move your disaster kits to your vehicle. Unplug all electrical appliances. Turn off utilities at the main switches or valves if instructed to do so. Finalize shelter arrangements and make sure pets are allowed. Review your evacuation routes.